I'm going to take a look at Revell's M-69 speeder from Solo. This kit is 1/28 scale. It retails around $20 and it is available online or at your local hobby shop and big box store. I always start with the box. Great box art. I call this standard box art as I could not find an artist who did it. Back of the box shows the completed model and a breakdown of the kit. Always like to start with the instructions. They are black and white and almost like a booklet. And the instructions are pretty straightforward. Figure assembly and painting guide. The kit itself is basically molded in color. Nothing's painted on it. The main body is about 7 inches from here to here. Detail on it is very, very sharp. No flash. Panel lines are nicely engraved. Not too deep, not too thick. Bottom of the M-69 speeder. The seats, which both of them are. We've got the seat belts. That's in the side panel there. Detail on it very, very sharp, even all the piping. I'm going to call that the front grille. Engine detail, very sharp. I'm going to call it the cockpit tub. The dash. Again, very detailed. I'm going to call it the steering wheel. You do get 3 clear parts. One is the windshield and 2 for the thrusters. You do get one figure. He is unpainted, and that's Han Solo. Does look like him. It comes in 3 pieces. Very easy to assemble. 2 arms and a full body. And detail on the figure is nicely done and very sharp. Again, no flash or any seams of that nature. Kit also does come with one sheet of stickers. These are peel and stick, not decals, which you would dip in water. These are peel and stick. And this is a build and play kit. It does have an electronic feature, and it does make 2 sounds from the movie. Really great kit. Highly recommend this for beginners and experienced modelers. Highly recommend the M-69 speeder by Revell.